Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Amazon website step by step. The first and foremost thing that you must do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice and then head to the search bar and simply type in Amazon. After that, hit go or enter on your keyboard, tap on the first link and then tap on sign in at the top right of your screen. Here you must enter your mobile number or your email. For now, we're going to be entering our email. Hit continue. After which you'll have to hit send OTP. Head over to your Gmail account. Refresh your Gmail account. Tap on the link sent by Amazon. Tap and long press on the code sent by Amazon. Hit copy. Head back over to Amazon. Long press, paste, hit continue. Here you must enter your full name and then hit continue again. After that, you must enter your password. This is only required if you have not logged into your Amazon website for a long time. If you have recently logged into your Amazon account, then you will simply have to enter your email along with your password and then log in. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.